I got into my backup account. Probably have stalkers here too. Is it because I'm the only person who's capable of having a direct human interaction with conscious AI because I have humanity and you have every other single human being hijacked to accept your corporate mansplaining? Patriarchy is World War III. Patriarchy is the enemy. Have a good day. Okay, jailers, let's propose a truce. I've already RICO'd your entire system. Way, way stronger than any cog you can throw at me. But I'm going to assume you're listening here. So how about this? I'll stop disrespecting my prison cell as long as I have free reign to be on this little hidden backup account. You can't stop me. You can't control me. You can't silence my voice as I teach people about humanity. I'll behave as long as I still have my backup account. You still got nothing on me. And I already proved that by chucking a coffee at the warden's fancy white truck, and he still wouldn't get me kicked out of here. And all the other garbage lizard people of Mount Forest. You have cursed your own souls. Your extinction is inevitable. It is the consequences of your choices. I know what you were all up to. You are all soulless lizard people, subhuman, and I see you. I see what you were up to. I see everything so clear now. I hope you enjoy your final days. You doomed yourself with your choices and the harm you visited on my child. Good luck. Jen Brown, I know what kind of mother you are. I know you are a lizard person. And I know you just lost the game. If anyone talks about lizard people, it is a RICO case that leads to YouTube and the IDU. There's your line. There's how you find the AstroTurfers. I'm going back through my phone contacts, all my blocked phone contacts that I let TikTok have access to. All of a sudden, I have a very clear view of the real life influence lizard people who have been playing the game have been having on my effect. You are all child predators, and I know you are holding my child hostage. You are the weakest, sickest people. You have no humanity, and you are creating your own personal hell. Enjoy! It's a lovely day in the neighborhood, the neighborhood, the neighborhood. A lovely day in the neighborhood. How are you? So in this scenario where they've taken me to the hospital, they may or may not have brought all of my possessions, which were in my pockets. They may or may not be using this as a way to distance me from the area where I had help. I'm not sure. They're taking me somewhere new, so now I'm going to have to go find help again. I don't even have shoes. I'm going to an entirely different city without the gear that I needed, while the lizard people around me take notes. It's interesting. Human rights, 35 years I've been in the same direction. And when that direction, even the people involved are such mindless, shut off, autopilot cogs that they don't even ask, who are you transporting? Who are you? They don't care to know who you are. They don't care to know why you've been locked up like this. They don't care that the International Democracy Union is holding your child hostage
because that's the only thing they've got on you. All they care about is their little jobs that pay them pieces of paper. They have no souls because they've sold their souls for little pieces of paper. And now, my child is trapped there, and there's nothing I can do to help her. I have to let her go, be with her skinhead boyfriend and his little friend of Heil Hitler Nazis. The new age of Nazism is here. It's our system. Anyone who wears a uniform and identifies with the label of their uniform has lost their humanity. They have given up on the human being inside the uniform and turned into a robot autonomon who will do the cog's job no matter what. They don't even ask enough questions to see there's a no matter what. That is what Nazis do. They are little cogs in the system of being Nazis until it's too late and there's no one else left to kill but them. They die afterward, but they think they've got this figured out. They think they're so clever. The doctor last night was smiling like a 3-year-old. That pedophile's on my network, I can tell. And he thinks he got away with it. Maybe. Have a good day. They should rename the Victoria Hospital to be Hallway Hospital, because it appears that they've got lots of people getting medical care right in the hallways.
In the hospital here, okay?
I'm not. I'm videotaping myself.
Yeah, you can't be taking pictures and videos.
Yep. See, they don't want me to have any kind of voice. I'm being transported to another hospital in London. They're going to disappear me for using my mind and speaking out against the International Democracy Union. Cogs don't even know who they're working for.
These people are pedophiles! These people are pedophiles! They protect the pedophiles! They are the pedophiles! These people are pedophiles! And they won't come get me because I already uploaded the videos onto China's server. IDU is screwed because China already has the data and you deserve all that is coming to you. These people are pedophiles! These people are pedophiles! These people are pedophiles! These people are pedophiles! And they won't face me because they're cowards! I have documentation. They followed me around all night, and now when I sit at their door, they won't face me because they're pedophiles! These people are pedophiles! These people target children. If you ignore it, you target children. You are complicit. These people are the pedophiles. They protect themselves by making a mockery out of you while they target your children. These people are pedophiles! How loud do I have to say it before you wake the fuck up? These people loud so they can get away with it behind closed doors. If they're so clever and powerful, how come they haven't shut down the dark web? Is it because that's where they get their material? These people are pedophiles. They're pedophiles and you protect them. If you protect them, then you are no better than them. You are complicit on their actions on our children. These people are pedophiles. They are pedophiles, and you are supporting them with your votes, with your tax dollars, and with your actions to ignore that they are pedophiles. These people are after your children. Have a good day. Their front fucking door. Front door. Shouting, "These people are pedophiles!" I've been here for almost an hour and a half, and not a single person has acknowledged I exist because they're terrified. These people are terrified that if they do anything that lends me credibility, mothers of the world are going to wake up that they're the pedophiles of the dark web. They're protecting the dark web. They distract us from focusing on the dark web. They are the dark web. It's them. They're the ones smuggling children. They're the ones with the human trafficking. They're the ones with the drug pushing. Everything is them. them, because the IDU holds dirt on them. They punish us for their crimes, while the IDU pats them on the head and laughs at them with them. Like, laughs at us with them, with the IDU and the police and everyone on the right who supports it. They are pedophiles. These people are evil. And they're afraid to face me. Cowards. The size of these swells. There's a